see them clear. Wow. Oh. The demon. Another huge bento to eat. Moco-chan. They're gonna have a party. Yuji's gonna organize it too. Gonna have some more sneezes to make it extra special. Yuji, remember? This isn't the time for that, Moco-chan. I like the animation a lot. Like the character designs and art style are pretty simple, and there isn't much. That's rude, Moco-chan. How many times are you gonna tell me not to sneeze to get hot? I was reading. We're in the middle of the super
It's not appropriate right now. It's not appropriate right now, Moco-chan. We're in the middle of the super chat.
Right.